So a lot of people ask me about my setups and my fish and everything, so I thought I would run a quick video just to show you what life is like here at Moonshadow Betta Fish Rescue. This pretty boy is Bruce. He's actually the boyfriend's betta, so he's a personal fish, not for adoption. This is his 5-gallon tank, and his white cloud minnows. He has 3 of them, and his snail. Then we have the mouse tank. She's sleeping right now, Natasha. This is Hunter. Hunter was rescued from Petco. He was really skinny, sticky fins, suffering from the after effects of really bad water quality. His fins are never going to be 100%, but he's doing great and he is ready for a forever home. This is Monty. Believe it or not, he just came to us yesterday from Petco. He was listless, no color, stressed out, and suffering from the effects of high ammonia. Clearly he's doing much better now. This is Laser. He was a baby betta from Petco. He was given to the rescue by a friend of mine. Laser is adopted, and we're just waiting for the weather to warm up so he can go to his forever home. This is Chili. Chili came to us suffering from bad fin rot on his anal fin. Chunks of his fin were actually falling off of him into the cup at PetSmart. But he is also 100%, and he will be going to the same home as Laser once the weather warms up. In here we have Albus Dumbledore. Wherever he is hiding in the back. Albus belongs to a friend of mine. He's just keeping him here temporarily. Albus was not a rescue. Down here we have Arthur. He also just came to us yesterday with fin rot on his caudal or tail fin that was actually causing him to bleed. But he's gonna heal up really nice and be a really nice fish. Breeding tank. Right now just working on a spawn just to get me back into the game again. Really don't know what's going to come of this spawn. Kind of just working with my 2 fish that are in the best shape. So it'll be an experiment. But we already have a little nest. Then this is Sharkbait. Sharkbait was found in a cup with another male at Petco. He had damage to his fins, but he's improving. He'll be ready for a new home soon. This is Horton. He's a half-blind elephant ear, half-moon placket. Then down here we have Cole. Cole's from Petco. He's a Milano Super Delta. His ammonia levels in his cup were around 8, which is deadly. And he had been at Petco for at least 2 months. But he is doing just great. I didn't think he would make it, but he'll be ready for a new home in a couple weeks. Here we have Deacon. Deacon came to us stressed out, colorless. He is totally ready for a new home. He has been for a couple weeks now. So if anyone wants to give this beautiful fish a home, please let me know. In here somewhere is Clark. Clark's a baby. She's eating well and doing well. So 95% sure it's a female. And down here we have, this is Embry. I adopted Embry from a member of a betta forum that I frequent. He's just a pet. And we have Hiccup, who belongs to a friend of mine. Hiccup was biting his fins, so he asked me if I could see if I could get his fins to start growing again. He's doing really well. They're growing really nicely now. This is Diablo. I purchased him from a breeder online. Chard 56, I'm sure many people have heard of him. Diablo's a Red Devil Super Delta. I bought him originally as a breeder, but he's probably just going to end up being a nice pet. Because I decided that he's not really the direction I want to go when it comes to breeding. And then last but not least, this is Fire. Fire was a Valentine's Day present from a good friend of mine. Fire doesn't want to be videotaped. In here we have Skylar. Skylar's actually not mine. He belongs to a friend. He's just staying here temporarily. And then Dash. Dash was a Petco rescue. He had almost no fins. He was skinny. He was pale. As you can see, he is beautiful now. He's still a fin nipper, but they're starting to grow back, finally. So that is everyone in here. Just another shot of the room. The gecko tank.